Nothing has already confirmed that its budget-oriented CMF Phone 1 will soon launch globally, and the teaser campaign is starting to paint a clearer picture. The CMF Phone 1 by Nothing is expected to debut with a custom Nothing Lock add-on system. A teaser video suggests that CMF Phone 1 will offer removable backplates for added customizability. CMF Phone 1 will be launched globally and in India on July 8 at 2:30 p.m. CMF Buds 2 Pro and Watch Pro 2 also debut too. Reportedly, the CMF Phone 1 is likely to be a rebranded version of recently launched Nothing Phone 2A with a less powerful chipset and no glyph interface. The ex-user has shared a photo of the device, which also has the screw on the bottom left corner of its backside. The phone appears to be covered with some case to hide its full design. Now CMF Phone 1 page goes live on Flipkart. And rumors say that this is the first look, and it's come with 4 colors. CMF Phone 1 could get a 6.67-inch 120Hz OLED display. The phone will allegedly be powered by a Dimensity 7300 chip with 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128/256GB UFS 2.2 storage. The first CMF smartphone could launch with Android 14-based Nothing OS 2.6. CMF Phone 1 image suggests the device could have 2 cameras on the back led by a 50MP sensor and a 16MP selfie snapper. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 33W charging. If the CMF Phone 1 is indeed the new release, it is anticipated to be priced around 20,000 Indian rupees. The leaks suggest that a new Nothing Phone will launch in July 2024. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.